Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video is totally for first and second PU students. In this video, I will give you a website which is the best website to download all the subjects, all the previous year question papers, even from 2014 to the back previous year, which is 2021, easily within 1 minute. So, okay, this website is called PediaWiki blog or PediaWiki website. As usual, you can go to the search engine of Google, text as PediaWiki, the website or the portal will appear, or else type the specific question paper which you need and add PediaWiki at the end. After clicking on search, the portal will appear where the question paper can be directly downloadable. So, for your better understanding, I will show it manually. Okay? So, go to the Google. Type the specific question paper which you need in the search engine. For example, I need physics question paper. Physics 2019 question paper, second PUC. Second PUC PediaWiki. The portal appeared. So click on that. So in this portal you can see the details of question paper as I am showing you. Now I am scrolling the question paper. The question paper is available both in Kannada and English versions. So this is Kannada version. This is English version. Now you can download the question paper by clicking on the arrow symbol. The question paper will open through Drive. Now click on the download symbol. The question paper is downloaded. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.